In this video, we're going to create a repair order using custom jobs. We'll start with a customer and vehicle already on the document. In this example, we'll be replacing the power steering pump. To begin, we click Add Job Group, then Custom Jobs. This opens the Custom Jobs window. We select Steering, Suspension, and Alignment, and Remove and Replace Power Steering Pump. This opens the Parts and Labor catalog. In the pick list on the left are links to the parts and labor for the custom job we selected. We'll click Power Steering Pump under the OEM catalog and click Add on the labor line, and it is added to our basket. Next, we'll click the link to the AutoZone catalog and add the part to our basket. We can use the link in related category to get the power steering hose while we're here. When all of the parts and labor are selected, we click Add to Document to return to the work screen. Thanks for watching. For more information on this or any of ALLDATA's products, visit our website at www.alldata.com or call one of the numbers on your screen.